Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Nvidia GeForce Experience overlay not working. The first thing I want you to do is come here, click on search and just type in installed apps, and then I want you to open this up. Then I need you to come here and just search for GeForce Experience. So there you go, search it up, and if you find GeForce, go ahead and uninstall it. The way you uninstall it, you find GeForce, let's say it's this one, you just click on these three dots, click on uninstall, and you need to uninstall that. That is because Nvidia app is actually the newer version. GeForce is the older version, doesn't work anymore. Go to your browser on any search engine, just type in Nvidia app download, open up this link, and then go ahead and download this Nvidia app, install it, and then go ahead and open it up. Just search up Nvidia, open that up, and then on the left hand panel, click on settings, and then from here you'll see overlay. So Nvidia overlay, I want you to toggle this on, and then press Alt+Z on your keyboard, and the Nvidia overlay will open up. So make sure that one is working correctly. If you're still having issues, just go ahead and search up settings, open this up, and then here on the left hand panel you'll see system. Click on that, scroll down until you see display, click on display, scroll all the way down until you see graphics, click on that, and then here you'll see all your apps. I want you to click on browse if you don't see Nvidia, and then I want you to go to your local disk C, scroll down, go to program files, and then I want you to open up Nvidia Corporation, click here on Nvidia app, click on CEF, and then I want you to add the Nvidia app right here, okay? And then click on options and choose high performance, choose your Nvidia graphics processor, and then click here on save. And you're going to do the same thing for the other one. So you're going to add the Nvidia overlay as well, click on add, and then do the same exact thing, change it to high performance Nvidia, and then you can try it again. It should work and fix the issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix